I'm Brian McCullough, National Sales Manager at Bendheim. ZKISS, standing for Keep It Simple System, is a fully concealed mechanical system that's designed for quick installation of opaque glass, such as back-painted glass and laminated mirrored glass. This fully engineered system is so simple because Bendheim provides the shock drawings and ships the glass with the system pre-applied. It's perfect for glaziers because it requires less clips than your traditional Z-clip system. It only features a top and a middle Z-clip and a bottom J-strip to support the dead load of the glass. Bendheim helps you from design concept to delivery, and you'll find that this is the most competitively priced interior wall cladding system on the market with extremely quick lead times.